Hey, small group leaders. Just wanted to take a minute and share with you something that allows our people that call Haven home or are interested in attending Haven events easy access to our calendar. Lisa and Courtney have been gathering deadlines and event dates and times and have put them into a calendar which is available on our website so anyone can see when an event is happening. And I just wanted to show you how to navigate there. If we go to havenbible.church, we can slide down on the resources tab and you can see that there's a calendar tab there. As we select calendar, what we can see is that March pops up and we can navigate to different dates to find different events that we'd like to know about. For example, is Good Friday, is that in the early afternoon? Is it in the evening? When's that actually taking place? We can click on the event and we can see the time and the date. Really helpful. If people are interested in, they've heard about the 21 days of prayer and fasting, they're interested in joining Pastor Mark and others for prayer on Wednesday morning, not only can they see when it happens, but they have the link available to them. Such easy access to events, times, and deadlines. As you talk to your small group members about this, some of them are ministry team leads, some of them are weekend leads, some of them have information that they want to funnel towards Lisa and Courtney. And so if you could gather that information, get it to me, get it to Courtney, get it to Lisa, send them, to those two women, so that this information can all be collected on our website and everyone will have easy access to all that's happening at Haven.